Hello, welcome to another new tutorial on how to import a demo content of Sportfy Sports Store WordPress theme. Firstly, go to the Appearance, then Theme to add new theme. Click on Upload Theme. For choosing file, find the exact zip file of it. Then click on Install Now. After installing, click on Activate and get a bunch list of required plugins to begin installing. Then select all the plugins to install and click on Apply. While done, click on Return to Required Plugins Installer and again select all of them to activate. Then click on Apply. Now back to the dashboard. Then Appearance, Import demo data. This is the interface of it. You will find auto and manual import. According to this, you will get several pre-built homepage. Click on any one of it to continue and import. After completing, click on Visit Site. And then let's go to visit the page. Introducing Sportfy, a modern, stylish and SEO-friendly WooCommerce WordPress theme designed for sports, fitness, gyms, and health-related business. With 5 stunning homepages and essential e-commerce features like currency switcher, sales notification, quick view, wishlist, and compare, Sportfy helps you attract customers and boost conversions. Not only this, Sportfy comes with a bundle of outstanding plugins at no extra cost, including variation switches for WooCommerce, variation images gallery, and shop builder. These plugins enhance your store by giving you full control over your shop's layout. Get Sportfy today and elevate your online store. Thank you for watching this video.